is lento. It's in Xhosa and it's in Xhosa, right? Yeah. It's also in Spanish. So, yeah. What do you think?
In Spanish.
Yeah, in Spanish.
I have no idea. Lento in Spanish. Maybe a donkey because I don't know other words.
No. And in Xhosa it means
That's thing.
same thing. Yeah. But in Spanish it means slowly. Yeah. So if you're in a taxi in Spain and the driver is driving so fast, you just say lento, lento, lento. Yeah, but it's usually said by men. So if we are us as women, we can say lenta, like lenta.
Also, Spanish is like French with its words for men and women.
Some of them, yeah.
That's crazy.
That's crazy, right? Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Bye guys.
Oh, oh my, what a lovely, lovely lady. Gorgeous, gorgeous young lady. Her name is, of course, Mihlali Ndamase, and I am, of course, Ruhama. Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram if you haven't done so already. And please don't forget to subscribe and comment and let me know how you are finding this lesson today. So, of course, the word of the day was lento, which Xhosa and Zulu people know that word very well. You know, in Zulu we say, you know, and in Xhosa they say lento, you know. I'm just not sure how they put it in a sentence, but lento is in Xhosa, as Mihlali has indicated as well, because she is Xhosa. She is Xhosa speaking. She is Xhosa speaking. But so how do we put lento in Spanish in a sentence? Let's take a look. So you say caminar lento, which means walk slow, right? So that's how you put it basically in a sentence. And then, or you can say drive slow. And mind you, it's just slow. So it's not slowly, it's just slow. There's an entire different word for slowly, for drive slowly. This one is slow, just slow. You know, drive slow, walk slow, not slowly. You catch me, and you can understand, right? Yeah, so that's how you say drive slow. Correct. So, guys, let me know how you're finding these lessons. Please share to others who might be interested in learning Spanish. Maybe you're taking a holiday to Spain and you want to get there knowing, you know, how to put a sentence or two together, knowing a couple of words, you know. All thanks to Ruhama. All thanks to these Spanish free lessons. But yeah, let me know how you're finding the lessons. Are you liking it? Do you have suggestions? You know, down below in the comment section. Thank you very much. And please share, you know, wherever you can. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time on our next lesson, it's goodbye.